In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly share a web page from one device to another using Firefox. This is a super handy trick if you want to continue browsing something from your computer on your phone, or vice versa, without any hassle. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring a smooth transition from one screen to the next. First, we need to start with opening the web page you intend to share. So, if you're on your computer or any device with Firefox, navigate to the tab you have in mind. Maybe it's an interesting article you found, a video you want to watch later on a bigger screen, or just a web page you need to reference on your other device. Once you've got that tab open, we can proceed with the next steps. Now, let's talk about sending this web page from one of your devices to another. This involves using the Share Link feature conveniently built into Firefox. What you want to do is right-click on the page or the tab itself. Doing this will reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, you'll need to look for and select the Share option. This is the key feature that allows you to transmit this tab effortlessly across devices. After selecting the Share function, you will be prompted to choose the device you wish to send the page to. This could be your phone, a tablet, or another computer that you'll be using, as long as it's also logged into the same Firefox account. This synchronization is crucial because it ensures that devices recognize each other for this sharing feature to work properly. Take a moment to select the appropriate device from the list. Now that the page has been successfully sent to your chosen device, it's time to open it there. Head over to your other device and start by opening Firefox. Once you've done that, you'll notice a notification coming through. This notification will contain the shared link, so simply click on it. Firefox takes care of the rest, opening the tab automatically for you and allowing you to continue browsing right from where you left off. This method is not only quick but also incredibly efficient, providing you the flexibility to move across devices without a break in experience. It's perfect for those of us constantly on the go or needing to switch between many devices throughout the day. With just a few clicks, your browsers are connected, keeping you in touch with the digital world on whichever screen you choose. Enjoy this enhanced browsing process and happy sharing.